Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Programming and Artificial Intelligence. Currently we are learning Python and today we will learn file handling in Python. Okay, there are different file operations that can be carried out on a file. These are creation of a new file, opening or reading an existing file, writing to a file, moving to a specific location in a file, that is called seeking, closing a file. Okay, let us see, go to the programming environment and do some practical. I will be saving this in the current working directory, Python examples. Okay, let us also create a folder ex. I want to show you that also, what I will save later something there. Okay, now let us insert a cell below. Let's write file equals to open hello.txt, and we have to give a file mode, that is the write mode, and we used to use encoding, encoding encoding equals to UTF-8. UTF-8 is Unicode 8, UTF-8, right? Okay, so let's run it. Now this file variable, it is actually a pointer to the this file. Okay, so it is ready. Now we can write something to the file dot write. Let us write hello world first. Okay, hello world, single line. Then once you wrote it, you have to use file dot flus is flush. Flush command is written at last before closing the file. So what this flush do, so it would write the stream, whatever stream is stored in the memory buffer, to the file. In other words, we can say that it will write the file in the disk. Okay, now at last we have to close the file dot close. Okay, run it. This is important. Let us run. See, hello.txt file is created and hello world is written there, right? Now let us do one more thing. So generally I prefer to write single letter F, it means file. Okay, F equals to open. So let me write like this now, F dot write. Python is easy. Okay, write, F dot write. Welcome to Python world. F dot plus, F dot close. Now let us open this particular file and see what happened. So it has only Python is easy and welcome to the Python world. What about the hello world? We wrote it previously. It has overwritten that particular file. So if we want to persist the file, we have to use append mode, that I will show you later, right? Now suppose we want to save the file in this particular folder ex. Then what we need to do, we have to use the file path explicitly, slash ex slash hello.txt. Now let me run it. So it could not find the path, right? Probably I have to give the full path. Let me say tilde slash desktop slash, and what is the name of the DSKT of desktop is alright, Python examples in lowercase, Python Python examples example in lowercase. And now let us try. No such directory exists. Why it is telling like that? It should do in this particular way, or let us remove this and see once. Oh, I did this mistake here. This should be your, no, this is correct. Yeah, we are already in the current working directory, right? We need to just go one step ahead. So we need to just give this file, no need to give the forward slash here. That was the error I made. Okay, now this file will be saved in this particular location, right, and close. Now let us see. Ex, this hello world is there. Okay, let's continue, and we would do some more practical. So when you get an error, it is important that you should see what exactly happened, why the error is happening. Okay, let us now open the same file and we add something more. Actually it would overwrite, no matter, that's okay for me. F equals to, I want to show a different thing there, say hello.txt, then mode is W, and coding equals to UTF-8. Then let us write f dot write hello Python developers. Okay, then we write okay, then let us create a list. My list equals to apple, banana. Okay, then orange. Now let us write this list in the file f dot write. Okay, then pass this particular list. Oh, we have to use write line because it has multiple contents, right? Then write, what is that? I did chili mistakes. Write lines. Okay, now I want to show you one more thing. Let's create a new list equals to, and that list will contain what? Contain, say, mango, mango. Grapes. Okay, now let us use this \n. Let us use \n. Let us use \n everywhere. Run it. Let us write the same thing. Okay, run it. Oh, no way. This will print to no matter new list. Okay, f dot flus is flash f dot close. Let us open and see that file what happened. Now let us see the content of this file. We are into this. I have written in Python this particular file, right? Now see, first of all, whatever previous content were there, that was lost, right? Let me open this parallelly. So welcome to Python developers, then welcome to the programming world. After that you see apple, banana, orange, and I made it twice, right? So it has written apple, banana, orange, and there is no gap between them. And new list, this new list has \n. This is a new line character. So this new line character has saved the file, saved the content of that particular list in new line. That is what I wanted to show you. So whenever you use such type means you want anything in new line, you have to provide the new line character. Okay, then every other things will be in new line. Okay. Okay, now before I close this, let me show you append. Now let us open this particular file itself once and see. Now say if we do not use append mode, this file will be overwritten. We will not get this content anymore, right? Now we will use the same file and we will use an append mode and see what happens. Okay, now instead of this, write A. A will be the append mode. Encoding will be UTF-8, right? Now file is open in append mode. F dot write. Now what do we write? Now I am appending this line. Okay. Now I will use a \n here. Write it. F dot write. Let us, see, if you need, then you need to use a double quote here. Let us write another list. Okay, close it. Run. Okay, now my list equals to, this time we will use some other, say some vegetables name, right? Cabbage \n. Potato \n. Tomato \n. Okay, now let us write it. F dot write, then pass this my list. Okay, so I did the same thing here also. I have to use right lines. Okay, so after then f dot, we will flush it. Suppose flus is plus, then f dot close. Let us open that file. Where is that file? This one, right? Now see, we started after grape, right? So these contents were nowhere in this particular file. We wrote this, right? These are the contents from the previous file. Okay, now see, you get, sorry, right from this up to watermelon, that was previously written, right? Now from this position, now I am appending the list. Since I have not used backslash n in front of it, so here the line was started from where we left. Okay, so we have to use backslash n in the front. Okay, anyway, this line has now append. After then this particular line, right? Let us write another list. After this C in cabbage, I have given backslash and here at the back. So this particular file, cabbage is written here. However, the other two vegetables are written in proper line. So you have to take care while you write something in a file. It's always better to use a backslash and in the beginning. Okay, in the beginning, and here also in the beginning, so we can remove this. Everywhere we can use in the beginning like this. Okay, so this is the way you can create a text file and also read the file in append mode and write new content to the existing files. This is the end of text file. In the next section, we will learn how to save a binary file. Okay, so let me end this tutorial here. Stay tuned.